담배를 끊었어요.
I stopped smoking.
I stopped smoking.
술을 끊었어요.
I stopped drinking.
I stopped drinking.
핸드폰을 너무 많이 보는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped scrolling endlessly.
I stopped scrolling endlessly.
야식 먹는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped eating late at night.
I stopped eating late at night.
설탕 먹는 걸 줄였어요.
I stopped eating so much sugar.
I stopped eating so much sugar.
늦잠 자는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped sleeping in.
I stopped sleeping in.
SNS 보는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped checking social media.
I stopped checking social media.
남 눈치 보는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped caring about what people think.
I stopped caring about what people think.
미루는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped procrastinating.
I stopped procrastinating.
커피 마시는 걸 줄였어요.
I stopped drinking so much coffee.
I stopped drinking so much coffee.
잔소리하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped nagging.
I stopped nagging.
걱정하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped worrying.
I stopped worrying.
야근하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped working overtime.
I stopped working overtime.
변명하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped making excuses.
I stopped making excuses.
부정적으로 생각하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped thinking negatively.
I stopped thinking negatively.
남 욕하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped gossiping.
I stopped gossiping.
늦게 자는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped staying up late.
I stopped staying up late.
탄산음료 마시는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped drinking soda.
I stopped drinking soda.
인스턴트 음식 먹는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped eating instant food.
I stopped eating instant food.
자기 비판하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped criticizing myself.
I stopped criticizing myself.
약속 어기는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped breaking promises.
I stopped breaking promises.
지각하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped being late.
I stopped being late.
밥 먹으면서 핸드폰 보는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped using my phone at meals.
I stopped using my phone at meals.
새벽까지 게임하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped playing games until dawn.
I stopped playing games until dawn.
남한테 의존하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped relying on others.
I stopped relying on others.
충동 구매를 그만뒀어요.
I stopped impulse buying.
I stopped impulse buying.
일을 미루는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped putting things off.
I stopped putting things off.
폭식하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped binging on food.
I stopped binging on food.
비교하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped comparing myself to others.
I stopped comparing myself to others.
허락 구하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped asking for permission.
I stopped asking for permission.
쓸데없는 걱정하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped worrying about things out of my control.
I stopped worrying about things out of my control.
참는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped holding back.
I stopped holding back.
무리하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped overdoing it.
I stopped overdoing it.
자기한테 너무 엄격한 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped being too hard on myself.
I stopped being too hard on myself.
TV 보면서 먹는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped eating while watching TV.
I stopped eating while watching TV.
그 사람 연락처 저장하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped saving his contact.
I stopped saving his contact.
밤에 커피 마시는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped drinking coffee at night.
I stopped drinking coffee at night.
과식하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped overeating.
I stopped overeating.
게임 중독에서 벗어났어요.
I stopped playing games addictively.
I stopped playing games addictively.
소비를 줄였어요.
I stopped spending so much.
I stopped spending so much.
지나친 음주를 그만뒀어요.
I stopped drinking excessively.
I stopped drinking excessively.
야식 배달을 그만뒀어요.
I stopped ordering late night delivery.
I stopped ordering late night delivery.
부정적인 사람들과 어울리는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped hanging around negative people.
I stopped hanging around negative people.
자기 전 유튜브 보는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped watching YouTube before sleep.
I stopped watching YouTube before sleep.
쓸데없이 돈 쓰는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped wasting money.
I stopped wasting money.
자책하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped blaming myself.
I stopped blaming myself.
타인을 판단하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped judging others.
I stopped judging others.
좋지 않은 관계를 이어가는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped maintaining toxic relationships.
I stopped maintaining toxic relationships.
미래를 지나치게 걱정하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped overthinking the future.
I stopped overthinking the future.
이유 없이 화내는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped getting angry for no reason.
I stopped getting angry for no reason.
지나친 카페인 섭취를 그만뒀어요.
I stopped consuming too much caffeine.
I stopped consuming too much caffeine.
과도한 야근을 그만뒀어요.
I stopped putting in too much overtime.
I stopped putting in too much overtime.
루틴 없이 사는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped living without a routine.
I stopped living without a routine.
핑계대는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped making excuses.
I stopped making excuses.
스트레스 먹는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped eating when stressed.
I stopped eating when stressed.
헛된 기대를 갖는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped having false expectations.
I stopped having false expectations.
일 중독에서 벗어났어요.
I stopped being a workaholic.
I stopped being a workaholic.
충동적으로 행동하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped acting impulsively.
I stopped acting impulsively.
남의 말에 상처받는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped letting words hurt me.
I stopped letting words hurt me.
자기 의심하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped doubting myself.
I stopped doubting myself.
잠을 희생하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped sacrificing sleep.
I stopped sacrificing sleep.
사람들 기분 맞추려는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped trying to please everyone.
I stopped trying to please everyone.
매일 체중 재는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped weighing myself every day.
I stopped weighing myself every day.
지나간 일에 집착하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped dwelling on the past.
I stopped dwelling on the past.
잠들기 전 걱정하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped worrying at bedtime.
I stopped worrying at bedtime.
매일 뉴스 보는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped watching the news every day.
I stopped watching the news every day.
남 탓하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped blaming others.
I stopped blaming others.
남과 비교하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped comparing myself with others.
I stopped comparing myself with others.
운동을 거르는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped skipping workouts.
I stopped skipping workouts.
다이어트를 포기하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped giving up on my diet.
I stopped giving up on my diet.
무절제한 생활을 그만뒀어요.
I stopped living without discipline.
I stopped living without discipline.
잠을 너무 많이 자는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped sleeping too much.
I stopped sleeping too much.
기술에 너무 의존하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped relying too much on technology.
I stopped relying too much on technology.
아무것도 안 하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped doing nothing.
I stopped doing nothing.
부정적인 뉴스만 보는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped consuming negative news.
I stopped consuming negative news.
남의 결정에 간섭하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped interfering with others' decisions.
I stopped interfering with others' decisions.
계획도 없이 돈 쓰는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped spending money without a plan.
I stopped spending money without a plan.
나쁜 식습관을 고쳤어요.
I stopped my unhealthy eating habits.
I stopped my unhealthy eating habits.
남의 기준에 맞추는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped trying to meet others' standards.
I stopped trying to meet others' standards.
쓸모없는 회의에 참석하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped attending unnecessary meetings.
I stopped attending unnecessary meetings.
지나치게 계획하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped overplanning.
I stopped overplanning.
디지털 중독에서 벗어났어요.
I stopped being digitally addicted.
I stopped being digitally addicted.
편의점 야식 먹는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped getting convenience store snacks at night.
I stopped getting convenience store snacks at night.
지나친 완벽주의를 그만뒀어요.
I stopped being a perfectionist.
I stopped being a perfectionist.
공허함을 먹는 걸로 채우는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped filling the void with food.
I stopped filling the void with food.
아무 이유 없이 소리 지르는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped shouting for no reason.
I stopped shouting for no reason.
자기 직전 핸드폰 보는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped using my phone right before sleep.
I stopped using my phone right before sleep.
남의 부탁 무조건 들어주는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped saying yes to everything.
I stopped saying yes to everything.
부탁을 거절 못하는 걸 고쳤어요.
I stopped struggling to say no.
I stopped struggling to say no.
아무 생각 없이 사는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped living mindlessly.
I stopped living mindlessly.
모든 걸 혼자 하려는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped trying to do everything alone.
I stopped trying to do everything alone.
틈만 나면 핸드폰 보는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped reaching for my phone all the time.
I stopped reaching for my phone all the time.
식사를 거르는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped skipping meals.
I stopped skipping meals.
야채를 안 먹는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped avoiding vegetables.
I stopped avoiding vegetables.
하루 종일 앉아만 있는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped sitting all day.
I stopped sitting all day.
불필요한 물건 사는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped buying unnecessary things.
I stopped buying unnecessary things.
퇴근 후에도 일 생각하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped thinking about work after hours.
I stopped thinking about work after hours.
먹방을 보면서 배달시키는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped ordering delivery while watching mukbang.
I stopped ordering delivery while watching mukbang.
무의미하게 채팅창만 보는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped staring at chat windows aimlessly.
I stopped staring at chat windows aimlessly.
빈배로 쇼핑하는 걸 그만뒀어요.
I stopped shopping while hungry.
I stopped shopping while hungry.